Hello KG3D, how are you my smart kids? Hope everybody is doing well. I missed you a lot. I want to tell you one thing that I'm super proud of you for your home practice that you're sending, for your excellent work, for your excellent effort. I'm so proud of you and I'm so happy from you. Hope to see you really very soon. Today I'm going to explain something new in math. We're going to explain new concept. It's about subtraction equations. Okay, let's start. Okay, sweetheart. First of all, I'm gonna tell you a story, okay? Once upon a time, I was in my house. This is my house. I was going outside. I saw nice flowers in my garden. I asked Mommy, can I pick a flower from my garden? She said, of course, sweetheart. Choose any flower you want and pick it. I went through. Oh, I saw plenty of flowers. I love them. I wanted to pick one flower first. But first, before I want to pick, I wanted to count them in all first to see how many I have in all in my garden. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 flowers in my garden. They're all nice, blooming, moving. So I can cut the paper. You can play this game as well. I can cut papers like that. I want to pick up one flower from them. So I picked up this flower. It's not there anymore. I picked one flower from the 6 flowers that I have. So now, I wanted to see how many flowers I still have in my garden. I need to count how many are still there. How many are still? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mommy told me that this is the subtraction equation that I made just right now. So I'm gonna write, I had 6 flowers in my garden first. They were 6 flowers in all. I counted them in all. I crossed out or I picked up one flower from them. How many flowers I still have? We said that I still have 5. Now you're gonna tell me, Miss Asma, what did you write? What's this line? What are these numbers? Why did you put them like that? I'm going to tell you that these numbers, when I put them like that, it will be the subtraction equation. With the sign minus in the middle. This is the minus sign in the middle. It's like a small stick that we're going to draw it. And then this is the equal sign. You will tell me, oh, Miss Asma, why didn't you put the 1 before the 6? I will tell you, oh no, never ever do that, because there's a secret about the subtraction equation. In subtraction equation, the stick will never ever let us put the small number first. She will stand up like that, and she will do like that, and she will tell us, never ever put the small number first in the subtraction equation. We have to put the big number first, or else the stick will hit us, my God. So first of all, what did we do? I counted the whole flowers in all. We counted how many flowers in all. I put it, and then I put the minus sign. It's the minus sign. And I put how many I picked, how many I crossed out, and then I put the equal sign, equals 5. Now, I'm going to show you one more thing. This is the paper that I'm going to explain for you on it. Subtraction equations. I have a horizontal subtraction. This one that we did it's the horizontal equation. Remember, like the horizontal addition, they stand up and make a line and hold each other's hands. I'm going to explain one more thing for you. I'm going to do one more example for you. Okay, so first of all, we said that I'm gonna copy the same equation there. 6 minus 1 equals 5. I can do it also using counters. Let's see, I have like 6. I'm gonna put 6 counters above the 6. What do you think? Can I put above the 1 a counter? Never ever, because the stick will come and hit us. So the counters will be only on the first number, on the big number. We're not gonna put above this like in addition, never ever. This is different. So subtraction equation allows us only to put counters above the big number, above the first number. So let's see. I have 6 counters. I need to cross out how many from them? Minus 1. I need to cross out 1. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are still there. Okay? Now, you can play many games in the home. For example, I have Play-Doh in here. I'm gonna pretend that this is the lake and I cut out Play-Dohs and I'm gonna play this game with you. I have a toothpick, or you can choose anything, or any spoon or something to pick up. I'm gonna pretend that this is a lake and I'm gonna fish. I'm gonna choose, hope I'm gonna get a fish. Uh-oh, I got fish. Oh, it's not going out. Why? Miss Asma, you need to count them in all first. So let's start counting them in all first to see how many in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 fish were there in the lake. Now I'm gonna start fishing. I'm gonna choose one fish. I got one. Did you see it? I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna choose another one. Hope I'm gonna get. Okay, I got this one. Okay, so first of all, let me write it, there were 7 fish in the lake, and then minus, how many I took out from them? I moved 2, minus 2 equals, how many are still there in the lake? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are still there in the lake. So you can play this game with your friends, with your sisters, brothers, or with your mom. So you can put as many Play-Doh as you can, or you can cut some small papers or cubes or anything you want. Now I'm gonna give you another example. I'm gonna show you fruit, vegetables. I have vegetable plate, for example. Mommy prepared for me a vegetable plate. Let's count how many in all first. How many pieces I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 6 kinds of vegetables Mommy prepared for me. I'm gonna write 6 in here. Then, but you know something? I don't like pepper. I don't like pepper. I'm gonna hide the pepper without Mommy seeing it. And you know something? I don't like also the tomato. Can I hide it without Mommy seeing? I moved 2 from them. So first of all, they were 6. I moved the 2. I don't want them. So I put minus 2 equals. How many I still have in my plate? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4. 4 left. So the result will be only 4 are still there in my plate because I took away 2 from them. You can play also this game using cubes. You can play it using cubes, using vegetables, using fruits, using anything that you have. Now, I'm gonna explain something else. Now we talked about the horizontal subtraction. We said that we need to count how many in all first, and we cross out the ones that they moved, and then we will write how many are still there or how many I still have. Now, I'm gonna tell you something. Remember that these numbers are playing together in one line holding hands. Now they don't want to play this game. They want to play like the vertical addition. Remember the numbers that they stand above each other. So let's make this one. I have number 6 and I have number 1, minus 1. Remember that the minus will be to this side like the plus. I'm gonna put the 1 under it. You remember the vertical game that they want to stand above each other, not holding hands? But what about the equal sign? The equal sign, can I put the small equal sign in here? I cannot put it in here because if I put it in a small way, the numbers will fall. They will say, no, please, we will fall. The minus sign, the equal sign, will stretch itself to make a big line. Now they can stand up nicely. So now they're not going to be afraid of falling down. Now 6 minus 1, I'm going to put also counters only above the big number. The big number is up. We can't put the big number up because the stick will, we can't put the small number up because the stick will hit it. So the big number will be up. 6 minus 1, I need to cross out only 1 from them. How many are still there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where should I put the 5? Shall I put it here? Of course no. Here? No. On my head? No. On your head? Of course no. I have to put it under the long line, under this line. Let's make this one as an example. 7 minus 2. We put them above each other and the equal sign will stretch itself. I put 7 counters next to the 7. How many I need to cross out from them? I need to move away 2 from them. How many are still there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 are still there. Clear? Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you know them now. And if you have any questions, please just contact me on my email address. Thank you.